About to test the truck out in the snow. Alright, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another vlog. Right now we at the post office, as y'all can see. About to ship off some orders. We got an order going to Memphis, Tennessee, and Tacoma, Washington. That's Washington, that's far. That's on the whole other side of the United States. Shout out to Sheila Ingram. That's her 4th order on the website. Sheila, a regular customer at this point. Sheila, if you're watching this, before you put in your next order, let me know, and I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna hook you up for your 5th order. Let's check the PO box first. $6.49. $6.49. It's from Covington, Georgia.
You just need a receipt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What's up with you?
Nothing much. You doing alright?
Yes, sir. How about you?
Me.
Oh, yeah.
You have a good one.
You too.
Alright, survey
Hey.
at the bottom. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Alright, I got that out the way. Y'all already know the next stop. Gotta hit that gym. See y'all there. What's good with y'all, man? We just left the gym. Now I need to go to the grocery store and grab some groceries, because if y'all don't know, it's supposed to snow this weekend, like all around in the south and like the Midwest and stuff like that. It's supposed to be a lot of snow coming, so we supposed to get like 6 to 7 inches of snow. And we ain't got that much snow in years and years, so it's been a long time since we got like a crazy snowstorm. They saying it's supposed to be bad. So I already know it's a lot of people in the grocery stores buying the bread, the milk, the eggs, and all that stuff. So I need to go ahead and go to the grocery store before everything get gone, if it's not gone already. Right now it's what's the day? Thursday, and it's supposed to start snowing, I think, Saturday morning. So yeah, we need to go grab some stuff real quick. But we got the truck now. We might be able to get out in the snow and ride around a little bit. Go do some donuts in the snow. And I ordered some snow chains too, so they on the way. So we're gonna have that extra protection on the tires. That extra grip on the tires in case we need it. I don't know if y'all can tell, but they done started putting the salt down on the roads, getting ready for the snow and the ice. Alright, what's good with y'all, man? We back at the crib. Right now I'm about to get ready to do this little advertisement for the main channel. As y'all see, we got this box right here. As y'all can see on the box, it's a recliner. So I'm about to put that together, and then I gotta do a little advertisement on the main channel. Gotta be like, I think 60 to 90 seconds. So I'm gonna put it together, and then I'm gonna go to the main channel, and I'm gonna do the advertisements, show the features and everything like that. So y'all gonna see that on the main channel. And then once I get done doing the advertisement, I'm gonna take it to my mama's house, because I'm gonna let her have that. As y'all see, we really ain't got no space for no recliner in here. The recliner got a massage feature. I think it got a heated feature, and a recline all the way back so you can lay flat. So I know my mama gonna enjoy that. We can get it up in here, man. This thing heavy. Me and the UPS driver had to carry it together. right. We got the upstairs. I haven't sat in the recliner in a long time because my mom used to have one. Getting out the box. So yeah, like I was saying, I just gotta put this together. Then they just want me to do 60 to 90 seconds of just showing the features, showing what it look like and the cost of it and stuff like that. So I ain't gotta show too much, like me putting it together and like stuff like that. I ain't gotta show that on the main channel. So I might as well show y'all. I just thought about it. We missing some pieces. They did send me 2 tracking numbers, and I didn't know why, but I see why now because they packaged it in 2 different boxes. So we gotta wait for that. You gotta wait for the other package until we can finish putting it together. So yeah, we're gonna get back to this whenever we get the other package. Oh yeah, and we got this package right here from the P.O. box from Sonya Gross. Her last name Gross. From Covington, Georgia. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Oh, we got some knitted hats right here. Boom, boom, boom. Hold on, let me see what the notes say. It say, "Hi nephew, I hope the hats put a smile on your face." It definitely did. Enjoy, Auntie Danae. Okay. P.S. If you want any other color, just let me know. Auntie Danae, I appreciate these hats right here. Okay, got the black and blue, navy blue. Let me show y'all up close. That right there, and that, and they smell good. I'm pretty sure she knitted these herself. She said, "Let me know what other colors you want." So I appreciate that. Miss Danae, let's see how they fit. Hold on, it's the wrong way. Like that. See what this one talking about. Okay. Okay. I like that. Danae, I appreciate you taking your time out the day to knit these. I know that's not easy work. Y'all see how detailed it is. And she did it all by hand. That's crazy right there. Appreciate that, Auntie Danae. I'm gonna definitely be wearing these. You definitely gonna see me have these on my head. You gotta go fill that tank up too. I wish I had a bigger one, but people hit me up to come hook up their generator because they calling for a lot of power outages from the ice. So yeah, we got some generators to go hook up. All right, we got the generator plug right here. Gotta hook this wire up to this plug right here. And then it just plug in right here. Plug it in. Well, so now you just gotta do the other side on the panel. Now I just need a 30 amp double pole breaker to connect this side too. So I gotta print the loads. Now you got it all hooked up, let's test it out. Let's go see if it works. Power come back on. TV come back on.
Yeah, everything came back on. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hookup successful. Alright, man, we just pulled up to the gas station. I'm about to fill my gas jug up and my tank. Gas jug right here. We'll fill it up first. Got y'all on my tire right now. That was $8 right there. Got that tank full. Now we're getting this tank full. What up, Joe? Nothing what? Oh yeah. Yeah. I need it. Say what? Can't keep asking for it. Nah. I need my own. Yeah. Yeah. Going to hook a generator up right now. Yeah. Alright. Yep. Alright, appreciate it. I'm going to hook another generator up. $54. Alright, the other piece for the recliner came in today. So we go ahead and put it on there, put it together. Alright, we got the back right here. Then we got to plug these up right here to these cords. Got the power box, got a remote, another remote, the power cord. You gotta add the stabilizers on the back. Alright, let's get the other side on. Let's see if it works. It's firm. Alright, we got the remotes right here. We got the recliner. Oh, you can lift it up too? Lift the legs up. You can lay all the way flat too. That's tough. It's like a bed. You can definitely go to sleep right here. Got to test out the massage and heating now. Ooh! That's crazy. That's crazy. You can do just the legs, thighs, the back. You got different modes on. Oh yeah, that's tough right there. My mama gonna like that. I'm gonna do an advertisement for this, and then we're gonna take it to my mama's house first thing in the morning. So as y'all just heard, we about to go ahead and take this chair down to my mama's house. And I'm gonna take her these lanterns. I think Auntie Beverly might have sent us these. If I'm wrong, shout out to whoever sent us these lanterns, because they're about to come in handy. Well, hopefully we don't have to use them, but it's just in case the power go out. We still have some light. Y'all see this? LED lanterns. Battery powered. They're pretty bright too. Y'all see. So yeah, these definitely come in handy if the power do go out. Hopefully it don't. But yeah, I'm about to take these down to my mama's house and the chair. I'm taking some extra batteries too. So yeah, I'm about to take this back apart. I'm gonna take it out to the truck. First I need to get my truck cleaned up, so let's do that first. As you see, it's 37 degrees right now, but it feel like 24. It definitely feel like 24. It don't feel like no 37. I feel like it's about to snow right now, but it ain't supposed to start snowing until 10 p.m. Back right here.
Boy.
I can feel it.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's the medium. Is it massaging your back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Massaging my back, my lower back, and my legs. Dang, that's a good old little chair.
That's my turn.
Get in.
Slide back.
Y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Alright, what's good with y'all, man? We just pulled up to Chili's.
Hey.
Mama.
What's up?
Yeah, right there. Ice.
Salt. It's for the...
So we got the salt down for the snow. Shit.
You want to sit over here and let me sit over there? You want to sit on there?
It don't matter. You think it's yours, huh?
It is.
No, it
It's
ain't.
me and Mama.
Man, I see it. It's coming down. It's starting to stick too. Let's see how slick the steps look. I put some salt down right here though. It's cold out here. Well, out there. I can feel it. It's coming down though, man. That's what we was preparing for. Yeah, I see what's going on out here, man. Right now it's sleeting. It did snow a little bit, but it's mostly ice right here. You gotta see. It's hard. Can't even grab it. You can't even make a snowball. But yeah, this is what it's looking like out here. Right now, one of my homeboys need me to come hook up his generator. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it. Like I said in the last video, y'all know we don't have a 4-wheel drive truck, but I do got some snow chains. But that's why right now I'm about to try to hop on my e-bike, and we gonna go check out the roads, see what they looking like before we take the truck out. Seat's frozen. The only reason I keep this outside is because I don't have a place to put it. It won't fit in that building right there where all the other e-bikes are. That's why it's outside. Even the handlebar's frozen. Oh man. You gonna see if it works. Turn the battery on. That whole thing frozen over, so we're gonna try the other bike. I was on to hop on the 3-wheeler so we can have that stability. Yeah. We about to go check out the road, the main road. Let's go see what it's looking like. The e-bike taking it like a champ though. Yeah, I see it, man. We out here like a dirt bike. Go slow around the curve. Good. I need some goggles though. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this straight ice right here. Oh, snap. Ooh. I see it, man. E-bike riding like a champ in the snow. I ain't gonna lie. UI bike. About to test the truck out in the snow. see how it do. I'm about to just move it like down to the end of the road or down to the end of the driveway or something like that, just to see how, if it's sliding or something like that. Cause y'all know this is our first time driving the truck in this type of weather, so I just want to see what's gonna happen. Cause I really want to go to a little parking lot and do some donuts. I ain't gonna lie, but if it's sliding too much, I ain't gonna risk it. But like I said, we got the snow chains too. Got the snow chains. So we're gonna see. Got to see everything frozen though. Oh, that's crazy. Everything is ice. Even the windshield. Dang. The windshield wiper is not moving. It looks tough though. Defrost on, heated seats. It's crazy, the defrost is on, but it's still solid. Icicles. That's okay. The windows. Alright, man, let's see what it can do. Like I said, I ain't gonna go too far right now. We're just gonna see how much it's sliding or not. I ain't feel it slip or slide or nothing. That's it. See the tracks. And then slide. We did a little slide right here, but that's it. We got it up there though. I'm gonna see if I can go up there and turn around, come back up this hill right here. We gotta test it out before we really take it on the road. See what the Dodge made of. Sound like it's straight ice too. Let's see if I slide. Yeah, we got up there like nothing. I think we can do it, man. We can go to the top of the road and back. And turn the traction off real quick. Slide a little bit. Another truck coming through. We're getting up through there, man. Don't play with the dials, bro. Put the seatbelt on real quick. let's slide it. Slide right there.
Yeah. They can pots to cut the grass and shit.
Handle that thing.
Oh God, you lose control of that motherfucker.
Yeah. Put that traction back on. You ain't scared. See what the truck talking about. Let's go crazy.
I'm gonna beat you up when you get home.
Ride through Main Street. The main roads ain't really too bad. You'll see it raining just a little bit. But these side roads kind of icy. We on the way back to the crib. So it's looking like downtown. Ain't nobody out. Ghost town. Few people over there. I wish I had a sled, but I ain't even got one. Should have got one before it snowed. You know, they probably sold out now at Walmart. Alright, what's good with y'all, man? It's the next day. As y'all see, snow on the ground. Starting to melt a little bit, but it's still icy a little bit. Like on the side roads, the road's still icy. But y'all see the main road's good now. And it's Monday, so we back in the gym, man. About to go get this workout in. I just got a main channel video done before the gym. I just gotta wait on the company to approve it, because as y'all seen, I did a little advertisement in that video, so they gotta approve it first before I can post it. But yeah, man, the truck did good in the snow. I was a little worried because we ain't got 4-wheel drive, but we didn't even need it. We wasn't going up no crazy hills or nothing, so it was good.